Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about natural disasters. Landslide. A landslide refers to the downward movement of a mass of a soil, rocks or debris along a slope. It is a geological phenomenon that can occur due to various factors such as gravity, heavy rainfall, earthquakes, volcanic activity, or human activities. Landslides can cause significant damage to infrastructure and pose risk to human lives and the environment. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the earth's surface caused by the movement of tectonic plates beneath the earth's crust. It is a natural phenomenon resulting from the release of accumulated stress along fault lines. Earthquakes can occur along plate boundaries where tectonic plates interact or within the interior of tectonic plates. Hurricane. A hurricane is a large, powerful and rotating storm system characterized by strong winds and intense rainfall. It is a tropical cyclone that forms over warm ocean waters. Hurricanes are known by different names in different regions. For example, in the Western Pacific they are called typhoons, while in the Indian Ocean they are referred to as cyclones. Flood. A flood is a natural disaster that occurs when an area becomes inundated with an excessive amount of water, typically due to heavy rainfall, snow melt, or the overflow of rivers, lakes, or coastal areas. Floods can be slow developing, lasting for days or even weeks, or they can be rapid and intense, known as flash floods. Eruption. A volcanic eruption is a natural phenomenon in which molten rock, gas, and other materials are ejected from a volcano's vent or fissure onto the Earth's surface or into the atmosphere. Volcanic eruptions are a result of the buildup of pressure within the Earth's crust, often associated with the movement of tectonic plates. Tsunami. A tsunami is a series of ocean waves triggered by a significant disturbance, usually associated with underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. Tsunamis can travel across vast distances across the ocean and cause devastating damage and loss of life when they reach coastal areas. Tornado. A tornado is a violent and rapidly rotating column of air that is in contact with both the surface of the earth and a cumulonimbus cloud, that is thunderstorm cloud. Tornadoes are characterized by a funnel-shaped cloud extending downward from the thunderstorm, often accompanied by a visible condensation funnel or debris cloud. Drought. Drought is a prolonged period of abnormally low precipitation resulting in a shortage of water supply that significantly impacts ecosystems, agriculture, and human activities. It is a natural disaster that can occur in various regions around the world, leading to significant socio-economic and environmental consequences. Hope this video was helpful. Please keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.